Introducing Brake Blaster, a powerful, concentrated non-acid wheel cleaner from Pal Glow. Formulated to do the heavy lifting, Brake Blast breaks down stubborn brake dust, road grime, and buildup, reducing the need for harsh scrubbing. To use, start by determining what dilution ratio you want. For more aggressive wheel cleaning, a 1:4 ratio is recommended, and 1:10 for a milder solution. Paired with our Pal Glow dilution bottle, finding the correct ratio takes no time. Spray Brake Blast generously across the entire wheel surface, targeting barrels, faces, and lug areas. Let the product dwell for 30 to 60 seconds as it begins to dissolve brake dust on contact. For heavily soiled wheels, light agitation with a soft wheel brush can be used, but in most cases, little to no scrubbing is needed. After dwell time, rinse thoroughly with a strong stream of water to reveal your clean wheels. Brake Blast delivers professional results fast, safe for ceramic-coated, painted, and powder-coated wheels when used as directed.
You might do it from here.